I think this is a super interesting time to talk about the mobile industry, as we're all really trying to figure out how to respond to the global economic downturn. I've said before, I think that what we're going through represents more of a fundamental economic reset as opposed to a recession, and it's going to take some time before economies around the world really reestablish themselves and we get what I would call consistent growth again. No industry is immune to this economic reset, including the computer industry and the mobile industry. And as people struggle throughout the world to really make every dollar count, I think they're going to expect all of us in the mobile industry to offer devices and services that offer greater and greater value. But no matter what happens with the economic situation, none of that's going to slow the pace of technological progress. There's no turning back from the kind of advances that continue to help connect the world and bridge people and information in a much more tightly knit fashion. At the end of the day, the power of ideas, the power of innovation is going to continue to drive forth no matter what the economy is. And all of our opportunities to use technology to really change people's lives has not diminished, even in the slightest. And in fact, I think the need and demand for the kind of innovation that our industry and our company has is even more important. Today, mobile phones are more capable than ever before. They have more sophisticated software and more powerful hardware. And yet, over the next several years, smartphones will develop and increase to over 50% of the mobile phone market. And I think to much higher penetrations, much faster in some of the developed countries. These trends are really changing the role that the mobile phone plays in people's lives. People don't want a phone for work and a phone for their personal life. They want a single phone that they can use to access all of the information and all of the people in their lives that are important. They want a PC that is a phone that is connected and integrated with all of the other sources and places that they use information. At Microsoft, our vision is to deliver one platform that extends across the PC, the phone, the TV, and the web, and connects us all to the information and people that we really care about. That platform is Windows. Windows in various forms, some of which exist today and some of which we still need to bring to market. But with Windows, we'll drive innovation that brings it all together in one easy-to-use and affordable experience that we think can have a significant impact on the lives of billions of people around the globe. With Windows, our unique approach is to galvanize an industry by creating a platform for third-party innovation. It is Windows that has extended the power of computing to the largest number of people in the world today. And it is Windows that enables an ecosystem of hundreds of thousands of companies to profit, thrive, and grow by adding value around Windows. Today we have a very strong Windows mobile ecosystem. Our industry partners include more than 50 individual companies that make phones, over 160 mobile phone operators, and nearly 500,000 software development companies that are writing applications. In the past year, our partners have delivered more than 30 new Windows phones to market, giving users more choice than with any other mobile platform available today. There are already 11 unique phones from our partners that have each sold over 1 million units, which is phenomenal by any stretch of the imagination. It starts with a recognition that the phone is more than just an address book with a mic and a speaker. It's more than a digital camera and a device for texting friends. And it's even more than just email and calendar. It's your instant connection, as I said before, to all of the people and all of the information that you care about most. We've got to make it a Windows phone that benefits from and picks up the experiences that people expect on bigger screen devices. A Windows phone has to be your phone, because a Windows phone is unique to you. Windows phones have to come in a variety of different shapes and sizes so that each individual can pick the hardware that's right for them. Whether you want a touch screen or keyboard, big screen, little screen, if design is your thing or size matters, we have to make sure with our partners that there's a Windows phone that meets your needs. With a Windows phone, you can personalize your experience with the applications you need to make it distinctively yours. And you can instantly and easily customize ringtones, themes, and all of the other things that are you and stand for you. Windows phones connect to your whole life, to your productivity tools that you need at work, and the social applications that you need to keep in touch with your friends on Facebook or MySpace or through instant messaging, whatever the case may be. With Windows phones, you should have a device that really spans your personal life and your work life. But a Windows phone has to be more than just the device itself. It has to be an end-to-end experience that connects you to the PC, that connects you into the internet, that breaks down the barriers between information, devices, applications that you use every day. Today, we're introducing the first generation of what we're now calling Windows phones. They run the Windows Mobile Operating System, but we'll refer to them simply as Windows phones. We have three big announcements in conjunction with that. First is the announcement of the Windows Mobile 6.5 operating system, which will become available on handsets later this year. Windows Mobile 6.5 delivers a new user experience with an improved user interface that includes touch and other interaction modalities. It has a new home screen, customizable widgets for speeding access to important applications. We're also improving the browsing experience to be more similar to the PC by bringing an updated version of our Internet Explorer software to Windows Mobile 6.5. With Windows Mobile 6.5, really, I think, taking mobile phones to a new level in terms of stitching together the PC, the phone, and the web, and bring those closer into a more seamless and simple user experience. It's no longer, as I said, about how the phone works by itself, but how it works in conjunction with the PC and the Internet. The second thing we're announcing is a new service we call Microsoft My Phone, which are services that make it easy to manage personal information on a Windows phone via the web. With My Phone, you can back up and protect all of the information on your phone to the web, so you can access it on the web, and you can also restore it quickly and easily to a new mobile device. My Phone streamlines the flow of information between your mobile phone and your PC. It makes it easy to synchronize, to edit, and to share all of your information. Third and last, we're announcing Windows Marketplace for Windows phones. At the Windows Marketplace, you'll find applications to match your needs and make your phones truly unique and personal to you. There are already today over 20,000 applications that run with the Windows Mobile Operating System. And we are going to give developers new tools to continue to build better and better applications, but with the Marketplace, they'll also have the freedom and the convenience to distribute those easily and have customers find those easily.